Since the introduction of the Centurion card from American Express, metal credit cards have been growing in popularity. These cards used to be just for the ultra wealthy, but are now becoming accessible for the average person. These cards will not just feel amazing in your wallet while you're paying the bills, but they're also packed with benefits and could even make you money. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the top metal credit cards in 2022. Now, the first card on this list is the Apple credit card. Getting into metal credit cards can certainly be intimidating, especially for beginners, and that's why the first card on this list is catered towards beginners. First released in 2019, the Apple Card is a collaboration between Apple and Goldman Sachs. These two companies came together to make a powerful yet simplistic card. The Apple Card takes Apple Pay out of your iPhone and puts it in your wallet. This card weighs around 14.7 grams and comes fully packed with benefits. These benefits can best be utilized for people who have iPhones. However, if you don't have an iPhone, this card still could be a good option for you. On this card, you can expect to get 3% back on Apple purchases. The card also offers 3% back at specified retailers like Nike, Exxon, and Panera Bread. Beyond that, cardholders receive 2% back when using an iPhone or Apple Watch to pay with their Apple Card, as well as 1% back on all of their purchases. Now, normally with credit cards, you have to wait a certain amount of time to get your rewards back. Usually that'll be around every month. But the Apple Card changes this, and instead you can get your rewards whenever you want. You get them as soon as you use the card. This means that any points earned using the Apple Card are immediately able to be spent or saved. Another huge benefit of the Apple Card is that you can connect your wallet app to your Apple Card and then track your spending. Apple has like a really sleek budgeting interface, and you can track where your money's going. So if you're spending some crazy amount of money on subscriptions, you'll be able to see that and then cut back on the subscriptions. Another great thing about the Apple Card is it is relatively easy for beginners to apply for. Even if you don't have credit, you still could have a chance on getting the Apple Card based on income or another metric. However, if you already have had a starter card like the Discover It Secured card, link down below, then you should have no problem getting accepted to the Apple Card. Overall, the Apple Card is a great card for beginners, and it offers some pretty good benefits. I mean, think about whenever you spend money at Apple, you're usually spending around like $1,000 on like a new computer or something. That 3% back on that $1,000 is a good amount. The Apple Card has good benefits, it's secure, and it promotes healthy financial habits. So if you're a beginner, then this card could be really good for you. Next on our list is the American Express Gold Card. This card is great for people who want to combine style and functionality. This Amex card comes in two vibrant colors. It comes in rose gold and also gold. Personally, I have the rose gold one because for a long time that one was limited, and I don't know, I wanted the limited color. But both look amazing. While the Apple Card had pretty good benefits, it did not have a sign-up bonus. That's one of the main reasons why people open credit cards is to get a sign-up bonus. And the Amex Rose Gold Card has a sign-up bonus of 60,000 points. Keep in mind that to get this bonus, you have to spend around $4,000 in the first 6 months, but realistically, that's very doable. And the benefits keep going. You can earn 4x back on dining and groceries, 3% back on flights booked through Amex Travel. For other eligible purchases, the card will deliver 1% back. However, there are other perks that come along with this card that help justify the hefty $250 annual fee. For example, you have an Uber credit. After connecting your Amex Gold Card to your Uber account, you'll earn $10 per month as an Uber credit, which you can use on rides or Uber Eats. This comes out to around $120 a year. For people who already use Uber, this is a great way to offset the actual price of the card. Another great benefit that the Gold Card offers is $10 per month towards different food providers such as Grubhub, Boxed, Seamless, and a couple others. This also adds up to $120 per year, meaning that the effective annual fee of the card is only around $10 per year if you were to use these credits. However, a lot of people are not going to use these credits. For example, I never order Ubers or anything from Boxed or Grubhub, so I honestly don't really use these credits. Maybe I should be. But if you do use Uber a lot, then this is a great way to make the card really worth it. The last big credit that you get on the Amex Rose Gold Card is a $100 hotel experience credit. So in certain hotels that you can book through the Amex portal, you can get $100 of services for free. So that means like spa treatments. However, you can't actually use this towards paying for a room for the night. So it's only really useful if you were going to do these things anyway, or you were going to stay in an Amex partnered hotel and these benefits were available, but you would never normally buy them, then you could take advantage of them. This card weighs in at the exact same as the Apple Card at 14.7 grams, and overall is a really solid card for people who eat out a lot, buy groceries, or could take advantage of the Uber credits. Again, if you want to sign up for any of these cards, I have them all linked below in the description, and I get a small kickback when you use that link to sign up, so it's a great way to support the channel. Alright, the third card on this list is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now, I could talk about this card all day. It's the first real credit card that I got myself, and I absolutely love this card. It's perfect for people who travel, and it also comes with an insane sign-up bonus. Right now you can earn 60,000 points by signing up for this card, which equals to around $750 in free travel. Because you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you can redeem your points. So 60,000 points would normally equal around $600, but because you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you get 1.25x on those points, meaning that you can redeem them for 25% more. So you can redeem those 60,000 points for travel using the Chase Sapphire Preferred for a value of $750. This card is a little bit light, coming in at 12.4 grams compared to the 14.7 of the other cards. So it's a little bit lighter of a card. It's not quite as heavy. Although I really do like the heavier cards, this card still feels really nice in your hand. Some of the benefits of this card are you get 5x back when booking travel through the Chase Travel Portal, and all other travel purchases, you get 2x back. Additionally, members get a $50 hotel credit that can be used at a variety of different hotels. You get 3x back on dining and also 3x back on streaming services, meaning Netflix. And who knew you could make money by watching Netflix? One new benefit on the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a 10% bonus in points of whatever you spent. So if you spent $10,000, then you would get 1,000 points back. Now, unlike the Amex Gold card, this card does not come with a super hefty annual fee. However, it does still have one. The Chase Sapphire Preferred's annual fee is $95 compared to the Amex's $250. That is way lower, and you get a lot of the value that you get on the Amex cards. The only reason why I would choose the Amex over the Chase Preferred is if you use Uber. If you use Uber, then you can really offset that annual fee, but if you don't, then I would definitely recommend the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Overall, it is an amazing card. It's perfect for travelers and people who just want a solid everyday credit card that they can use for almost anything. All right, so the next card on this list is one of the most exciting credit card offers that I have really ever seen, and I'm being very tempted to go get this card. I haven't done it yet, but I'm definitely thinking about doing it in the near future, and that is the Capital One Venture X. Now, the reason why this card is so appealing is, number one, there is an 100,000 point sign-up bonus. Keep in mind that to get this bonus, you have to spend $10,000 within the first 6 months, which is a lot of money, and that's one of the reasons why I haven't gotten this card, just because I'm not so confident that I could spend that much money within 6 months. That seems like a lot even for me, and I spend a good amount on travel and technology. I just got this new MacBook for the channel, but $10,000 is a lot of money, and I don't know if I could spend that. But if you think that you could spend that much within the 6 months without going and like buying unnecessary stuff, then this card could be really, really good. I mean, 100,000 points is a lot of travel. Another crazy benefit of this card is that every year you get a 10,000 point anniversary bonus. That is almost $100 in free travel just from that free bonus. Continuing with the theme of travel, the Capital One Venture X offers you a $300 travel credit. Now, this credit can be used towards flights and could even pay for your entire flight. I mean, you could book a flight to Mexico for like $250 and have this card cover the entire cost of that flight. So you'd basically be able to fly to Mexico for free every single year. That is pretty crazy. And it doesn't even stop at that. They also offer a $200 vacation rental credit, which you can use on Airbnb, Vrbo, and a bunch of other vacation rental sites. So not only can you fly to Mexico for free, but you can also stay there for probably around a week just by getting this card. That is literally insane. I don't know why more people aren't getting this card. This card is like next level. The additional benefits for this card include 10x back on all travel, meaning hotels and rental cars, booked through Capital One. Flights booked through Capital One earn a staggering 5x points, while all other purchases will yield 2x. Now, travelers can book with confidence because Capital One offers price drop protection, meaning that if you book a ticket through Capital One and then find a cheaper ticket elsewhere, Capital One will literally reimburse you the difference between those two tickets. So they're always making sure that you get the best deal on flights. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. The Venture X is absolutely incredible. But wait, there's more. Let's get into it. Not only do you get all those bonuses, but you also get free lounge access into Priority Pass lounges and also the Capital One lounges. Additionally, you get a $100 credit for global entry and TSA PreCheck applications. This allows members to bypass security checkpoints and travel faster and smarter. The Venture X is loaded with travel benefits and comes in at a whopping 18 grams, being by far the heaviest card on this list. Now, this card does come with a bit of a higher annual fee at $350 per year. However, the $500 in travel credits literally make it so you're being paid $150 per year just to own this card. Not to mention the sign-up bonus, lounge access, and all the rewards. Overall, the Capital One Venture X card is my favorite credit card at the moment, and I think anybody should get this card if they're able to qualify for it. All of the metal credit cards in this list offer so much value and could be a great investment for you. If you enjoyed this video, then I would really appreciate you subscribing and also liking the video. This is really my last video about personal finance for the foreseeable future, but if you want to follow along with my travel journey and see how I use some of these credit cards to travel the world on a budget, then I recommend you subscribe to the channel and follow along for the journey. Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great day.